In this video, we are going to provide a comprehensive demonstration of the Godrej Rhino Digital lock system. We will explore its features, functionality, and showcase how this cutting-edge technology can provide enhanced security for your home or office. Rhino Locker is an ideal storage solution for any home or office. With a capacity of 55 liters and a weight of 35 kilograms, the Rhino Locker is a sturdy and spacious addition to any room. It has a height of 42 centimeters, a width of 46 centimeters and a depth of 41 centimeters, making it a great option for storing large items such as jewels, documents. The locker is also equipped with a 2-point locking system, ensuring that items will remain secure and safe. In addition, its robust steel construction makes it resistant to any kind of damage, ensuring that you can trust the Rhino Locker to keep your items safe for years to come. If you want to open the locker in default mode, press 1, 2, 3, 4 to open the locker. However, if you want to change the password, it's easy. You can do so by watching the instructional video that walks you through the step-by-step process of changing the password. The video will tell you exactly how to change the code. So make sure to keep watching the video for instructions on changing the password. Changing the password of your Rhino Safe Locker is simple and easy. First, open the locker and press star twice. This will bring up the program on the locker display, then press 68#. Now the locker will display new on the display. Enter a 4 to 6-digit password of your choice and press #. Congratulations, you have successfully changed the password of your Rhino Safe Locker. Changing the master password of a Rhino Safe Locker is simple and easy. To begin, open the locker and press star twice. This will bring up a program on the locker display. Enter the default master code 800000 to access the program. Once you have entered the code, the locker will display the message "New" on the display. Now, enter a 6-digit master password of your choice. After you have entered the master password, the locker will display the same message again. This is to confirm that the master password has been set. Once you have re-entered the master password, the locker will be fully locked with the new password. To open your Rhino Digital Safe Locker, simply slide the Godrej logo to the right side and you will see a keyhole. Insert the key and rotate it to unlock the locker. The Rhino Digital Safe Locker is designed to keep your items safe and secure at all times. With its sleek and contemporary design, it is the perfect solution to securely store your valuables. The locker comes with a unique combination of electronic and mechanical locks, providing you with additional security and peace of mind that your items are safe and secure. Additionally, the Rhino Digital Safe Locker is designed with a removable shelf, allowing you to customize the size and shape of the locker to fit your needs. So go ahead and keep your valuables secure and safe with the Rhino Digital Safe Locker. Changing the battery for the locker is an easy process. Simply locate the battery holder behind the locker door, remove the screw, and replace the holder with 4 AA batteries. If the battery has drained, you can also use the micro USB port located on the Godrej logo on the door. Simply slide the logo and plug in the USB port to turn the locker back on. Be sure to check the battery often to ensure the locker always has power. top-quality materials, the Godrej Rhino Digital lock is engineered for durability and longevity. Its robust construction ensures resistance against tampering, weather conditions, and wear and tear. Say goodbye to outdated, unreliable locks. The Godrej Rhino Digital lock is a great option for those looking for an easy installation process. It can be mounted on the backside and bottom of the locker with 4 screws, making it easy to secure. The digital lock features a unique, tamper-proof design that is almost impossible to pick, providing an extra layer of security. With its durable, weatherproof construction and a 1-year warranty, the Godrej Rhino Digital lock is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a reliable security solution. Godrej Rhino safe lockers are the ideal solution for people who want to keep their valuables or documents safe and secure. These lockers are available in 2 sizes, standard and advanced. The standard version is ideal for households, offices, retail outlets and other establishments, whereas the advanced model offers superior security to meet the requirements of high-value items such as jewelry, documents or other items of sentimental value. The advanced model is also available in a bigger size, making it ideal for larger spaces. It comes with a drawer and a secret compartment which adds to its security. The drawer can be used to store items that are not required to be locked away, while the secret compartment makes it virtually impossible for someone to access the items without the key. The Godrej Rhino Advanced Locker model is also equipped with a number of advanced safety features such as an electronic locking system and tamper-proof locks. This ensures that the items stored inside the locker are secure and protected from theft or damage.